Children, today we will do the book exercise of your lesson 3 of grammar, that is nouns number. So open page number 16. A question, change the number of the following nouns from the singular to the plural. So we see first is story. Now see, it is ending with Y, and before Y there is a consonant. Remember, I told you that if the word ends with Y and before Y if there is a consonant like B, C, D, F, G, then we remove Y and we add I, E, S. And if the word ends with Y and before Y there is a vowel A, E, I, O, U, then we simply add S. In most of the cases we do this. Okay, so let's start. Story ending with Y and before Y there is a consonant R. So what we will do? We will simply remove the Y and we will add I, E, S instead of Y. So let's see. First one is S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. Second, day. Now it is ending with Y and before Y there is a vowel, that is A. So what we will do? We will simply add S to it. So day will become days. Third one, watch. So it is ending with CH. So words which ends with CH, what we do? We simply add ES. So watch becomes watches. W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. Scarf. Now see, the word scarf, it can have two plurals. Simply S, adding S, scarves, or we have also seen that the words which ends with F, we add we remove F and we add VES. So this word is an exception. We can have two plural, that is scarves, S-C-A-R-F-S, scarves, or S-C-A-R-V-E-S, scarves. Both are correct. Kite, simply kites, K-I-T-E-S, kites. Calf, again ending with F, so we will add V-E-S, calves, C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. City, ending with Y, before Y there is consonant T. So what we will do? We will remove Y and we will add I-E-S to it. So cities, C-I-T-I-E-S, cities. Eighth one, mass, ending with double S. So we add E-S to it. M-A-S-S-E-S, masses. M-A-S-S-E-S, masses. Wish, W-I-S-H, ending with S-H. So we add E-S to it. This already we have seen in the explanation, children. So in the word which ends with S-H, we add E-S to it. So wish becomes wishes. Mango, ending with O. So we add ES to it. So mango becomes mangoes. Now we come to B1. Change the form of the underlined nouns, singular forms to plural and plural forms to singular. Do not rewrite the sentence, means we don't have to write the full sentence here. One has been done for you. The bird flew away. So bird, it is already underlined, so we know what we have to change. It is singular, so we make it plural, so bird becomes birds. Now second one, the men stood near the field and watched the boy play. So M-A-N, men is plural. So what will be the singular of it? Man. M-A-N, man. And boy is again a singular. So we change it into plural. That is boy becomes boys. So let's write here. You write like this. Men, already word is given. So it becomes man, and boy becomes boys. Next is the baby was playing with its mother. Baby, see children, again ending with Y, and before that it is a consonant. So we drop Y and we add IES. So baby becomes babies. Baby, BABIES, babies. Mother, simply we will add S, MOTHER, mother becomes mothers. Fourth one, the cook made an omelette with an egg and a tomato. Cook, simply we add S, cooks. Cook becomes cooks. Egg becomes eggs. And tomato, the words which ends with O, most of the words we add, means we add ES to it and make it plural. So tomato, we add ES. Tomatoes. Mother put the glass and the dish on the shelf. So glass ending with double S, so we add ES to it. So glass becomes glasses. Glass becomes glasses. Dish ending with SH, so we add ES to it. So dish becomes dishes. And shelf ending with F, so we drop F and we add VES to it. So shelf becomes shelves. Shelf becomes shelves. Now sixth one, the child could hear the wolf howling. So child is singular and we make it plural by writing it as children. So child becomes children. Wolf will become, again F is there, so we drop F and we add VES to it. So wolf becomes wolves. Seventh one, the ladies sat on sofas and the men were standing. So ladies plural, so it becomes lady, and sofas plural, so it becomes sofa. So ladies, singular is lady, and sofas, singular is sofa. Eighth one, the fairies and the elf danced around the sleeping woman. So fairies, again plural, it becomes fairy. Elf, again F is there, so we drop F and in place of F we write VES, so it becomes elves. And woman, it simply becomes women, plural is women. So fairies becomes fairy. Elf becomes elves. And woman becomes women. Okay. Now we see the ninth one. All the furniture was made of wood. I told you there are few words, they have exception in which singular and plural remains the same. Okay. Singular and plural remains the same. They do not change. And one of those words is furniture. We also see things like equipment, deer, so these sheep. So So they are all singular and plural same. So furniture is also, because see again I am telling you, furniture is a category, and under this category there are tables, chairs, so which we can differentiate singular and plural. But furniture is a category, so we don't make it in singular and plural. Just take it as furniture in both singular as well as plural. So it remains same. Ninth one is furniture. Furniture remains same as furniture. 10th, you should go to a dentist to have your tooth looked at. So one is tooth and more than one is teeth. So tooth becomes teeth. Many children write tooths. It's wrong. It's not always that you put S and it becomes plural. No. There are many words in which singular and plural they have different words. Okay. Like child, children, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. So it's not like always adding S or VES. So you have to learn that. Okay children. 11th. The visitors stood and watched the deer in the park. Visitors plural. So we make it visitor. VISITORS. Visitors become visitor. Okay. And one more is there, deer. So this is the another word which remains same in singular and plural. So deer remains deer. At night, the mouse would come out and play. Mouse will become mice, not mouses, okay? It's mice. Mouse becomes M-I-C-E, mice. 13th, the girl plucked a cherry from the tree. So one is cherry, it's Y. So and before Y it's a consonant. So we drop Y and we add I-E-S. So cherry becomes cherries. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry, we drop Y and we add I-E-S. It becomes cherries. Tree, trees. So here tree becomes trees. One is, there was an old dress and a broken toy in the box. So dress ending with double S, we add ES to it. Toy, it's ending with Y. Before Y there is a vowel, so we simply add S to it and becomes toys. And box ending with X, and we know that the words which ends with X we add ES to it. Okay, so now we see the plural. Dress becomes dresses. Toy becomes toys. And box becomes boxes. Okay. Now last one is, Sam bought a loaf of bread. He wanted to make a sandwich. Loaf again ending with F, so we add VES, and sandwich ending with CH, so we add ES to it. So loaf becomes loaves. L-O-A-V-E-S. And sandwich becomes sandwiches. Is it okay children? So write in a neat and clean handwriting, fill your exercise book and also revise it, learn it. Thank you.